Hello friends, I am Riddhi Kamble. My channel name is Learn with Kamble sir. Friends, today we are going to learn a teenager's prayer written by J. Morse. First of all, we read this poem, then translate in Marathi. A ची एक प्रार्थना आहे आणि प्रसिद्ध कवी जे मॉर्स यांनी लिहिलेली एक अतिशय सुंदर व प्रेरणादायी अशी प्रार्थनारूपी कविता आहे. कवितेचा निवेदक हा एक किशोरवयीन बालक आहे. संपूर्ण कवितेमध्ये या बालकाची जीवनावरील निष्ठा व त्याचबरोबर आदर्श जीवन जगण्यासाठीची धडपड दिसून येते. जीवनामध्ये यशाचे उत्तुंग शिखर गाठण्यासाठी या बालकाला योग्य दिशेची निवड करायची आहे. जीवनरूपी या प्रवासामध्ये अनेक अयोग्य मार्गही आहेत, परंतु या मार्गाने त्याला कदापिही जायचे नाही, कारण तो मार्ग अंधकारमय तर निश्चितच आहे, परंतु त्याचबरोबर मानवाला वाईटाकडे नेणारा आहे. निवेदक परमेश्वराकडे स्वतःला सदैव शुद्ध व निष्पाप ठेवण्याची विनवणी करत आहे. योग्य व न्याय्य गोष्टीच्या पाठीशी सदैव उभे राहण्याचे सामर्थ्य तो मागत आहे. स्वतःकडे असणाऱ्या सद्गुणांना चांगली दिशा मिळावी यासाठी तो मदत करण्याचे आवाहन करत आहे. कुठल्याही प्रकारच्या मोहापासून दूर ठेवण्यासाठी परमेश्वराकडे तो विनवणी करत आहे. जीवनातील आव्हाने पेलण्याचे सामर्थ्य व त्याचबरोबर उत्तम आरोग्य मिळावे एवढीच माफक अपेक्षा या किशोरवयीन बालकाने या कवितेत व्यक्त केलेली आहे, म्हणून तो देवाला प्रार्थना करत आहे. नाऊ लुक ॲट हेअर some questions and answers. What is the age group of speaker in the poem? Answer: the age group of speaker in this poem is 13 to 19 years old. Second, how should one react to temptation? And answer is that when temptation come in my mind, that time give me power to say no. Third, whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? Answer: poet wish to company of Lord means God. Fourth, what decisions does the speaker have to take? And answer is that poet says he is the only one that to choose a road means he want to take decision. Fifth, what effect does in himself at the end of his teenage? And answer: poet wish to over his teenage, that time his life lived very best. English workshop for you. 1 number. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. A. According to the poet, are brought by each new day dash, and option is new beginnings or new ending, and correct option new beginnings. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to dash, great distress or great success, and correct option is great success. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is dash, might or right. Correct option is right. D. The poet wants to see that his teens years have been the years of his life dash roast or best. Answer is best. Next, second question. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. And the rhyming words is that make, take, success, distress, see, me, way, day. Third, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Or choose the correct one from the following option. There is a rhyme scheme given some options A B B, A B C D, A B C B, A B B A, and the correct option is A B C B, third one. Next, 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Column A, decision I must make, and the correct answer is B, inversion. Then second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Correct option is A, apostrophe, means figure of speech apostrophe. Third, travel down the darkened road, and correct option is D, alliteration, figure of speech alliteration. 4. I can choose to take a road of life, and correct option is third, means C, metaphor, the figure of speech metaphor. Number 5. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences with the help of the following points. Now, this is the appreciation of the poem. So, first of all, they are given a title. A Teenager's Pair is the title of poem. Name of the poet. The name of poet is J. Morse. And the rhyme scheme of this poem. The rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. Favorite line for me. Help Lord to just say no. Then theme or central idea. Teenagers desire to be able to take the right decisions that leads to success in life. The teenager requests the Lord to help guide him in his journey in life and stay with him as he has to take important decisions on a daily life. Figure of speech in this poem, there is alliteration, metaphor, etc. Special features, this is a prayer, so this is the special feature of this poem. And why I like or dislike the poem? This poem is like poem. I like this. So why? The language is very simple and easy to understand. So this poem is very interesting. Thank you very much.